guys, welcome back to another weekly Forex Outlook. If this is your first time watching, welcome, thank you, I appreciate you coming by. If you have watched any of my videos in the past, I appreciate you coming back just as much. So, I do apologize, I haven't been here. I've been doing these recorded videos for a couple of weeks now, just been busy with a move. And also I've been doing some live training or live weekly analysis with the team sort of on a Sunday night now instead of recording the videos, because we tend to sort of go over sort of 2 to 3 hours, so that is why I haven't recorded any. But I'm going to run down 10 pairs that I'm looking at this week just briefly, that I spotted this week, and obviously if anything does pick up during the week, then obviously on Wednesday when we do another live call, I will then do a recap from there, if I'm in any trades or whether I'm going to be looking at ending the week off with any trades. So, start off on dollar index, not one that I'm going to be trading this week, but I just wanted to highlight to you, obviously, the level that we're at. We're sitting at a level resistance level. We've got sort of 1, 2, 3 touches, possible head and shoulders formation here. So if we do not break above this resistance level this week, then I would expect a push back down to the support levels 95, which will then have an effect on the rest of the trades we're going to be looking at later. So first up is gold. Okay, this pair we've made quite a few good trades on it the last couple of months. You can see here that we've got a head and shoulders formation. We do also have a nice down channel on the stochastic, sort of nice bearish momentum. But you can see here we've got our left head and our right shoulder. We broke that trend line on Friday. We had a nice push to the downside Thursday, Friday. A nice little consolidation on Friday. We are looking for a break of this support level. You can see that obviously in the bigger scheme of things, we've got this bullish wedge or bullish flag, which could have some implications. If we do not break this support level, that invalidates the head and shoulders formation and we trade back up. So that is what I'm looking at this week. We're either going to break this level and go down to the 161, the 127 or 141 levels, the fib extension levels. If we don't, if we get a bullish signal over here, then we look to trade back up to this resistance level. Okay, so USDCAD, you can see on the grand scheme of things, obviously we're trading within this channel here. We've had nice push up. You can now see structures forming nicely. So we are looking for some nice moves. So now we are looking for this move here. Okay, whether we're going to get it this week or whether we're going to push higher, and then this would move to there, and then we get the down move. We just need to see how the market's going to open or how the market's going to react. We get a break below this, we look for a corrective structure, we trade down to support. If we get a bullish signal, we then trade back up to resistance. New Zealand USD. Okay, I quite like this pair. Looks like we've got a nice triple top. If we look on, if we zoom out a bit, you can now see the bearish momentum down here. We've had the corrective structure, and now we're looking for another push to the downside. So obviously, triple top, nice reversal signal, but obviously that's the key part here. We've got the push. Got the exhaustion, now we're looking for the next push to the downside. Okay, pound yen. Okay, we're looking for shorts this week. You can see that we broke out this bullish channel that we were in. Let's put this in. Okay. So we broke out of that. You can see here we had a nice little bit of divergence there and there. You can see, so we made a higher high, but obviously here on the stochastic we made a lower high. So again, push down, push down. We're looking for the fib extension levels as our targets. Obviously with Brexit being here, the volatility is quite high, so we need to adhere to those news events. You don't want to get caught on the wrong side, because as you can see, these candles, daily candles, even though they're daily, they're still quite big. So we don't want to be caught on the wrong side. USDJPY, okay, again, we're sort of looking for, we're trading within this channel. So again, we're looking for a break above resistance or a break above support to either continues each move here and there. So again, we're sort of sitting in neutral position here, waiting for a break, waiting for a signal to either go short or long. Pound Aussie, okay, again, same thing. We had a nice break of the trend line. So again, we're either going to have a push lower to the support level here, the 1.8, or we're going to push up and we're going to have a nice corrective structure back up to this trend line, which now will now be resistance, before we have another push to the downside. Point to note, tomorrow night we do have the Australian interest rate decision, and obviously the government will be having their talks. So if it is going to be a dovish tone, we can expect the Aussie dollar to weaken this week, which will then push this pound pair a bit higher before we have the next push to the downside. So again, pound CAD. You can see this pair has been quite volatile the last couple of weeks. You can see these candles are huge. Some good trading opportunities here, especially being obviously trading within this zone here. So it looks like we've got a double top on the daily. We've broken this daily trend line. We're now trading on support. So we're either going to wait for a push back up to correct this down move, and then we're going to have the push to the downside, or we're going to wait for we're going to look for a sell stop straight down. So either we wait for a bullish signal to pull us back up to this level where we're going to look to sell and then go down, or we might just get the sell straight away. To wait and see how the markets react in the first day or two. Okay, last few Aussie USD. Okay, so we're on the daily time frame here. You can see that we were trading and we broke out of this channel, but it seems like we've sort of now gone back into it. Not yet. So again, we're sort of trading at a resistance level. You can see we were rejected 1, 2, 3, 4 days. You can see the rejection there. So again, it's we want to look for a clean break above that level there before we look to go long. Otherwise, let the trade ride up there, look to sell this opportunity here, and then we look for the trade to the downside. If you look at this, price might have changed direction, but we need this to break this resistance level to confirm the bullish action. Okay, AUDJPY. I think that's the last one. You can even look at Euro Oz. But again, same sort of scenario. We're sort of trading at this resistance level here. So again, we need to see how the market's going to react tomorrow with the Aussie interest rate decision, and obviously the way they talk. So it could push this pair lower, or we could finally break this resistance and then look to push a bit higher to sort of the 80 level. So time will tell. We've got a couple of days until this actually happens, and then we will look to trade it from there. Okay, last one, Aussie, Euro Aussie. Okay, again, we're sort of trading at support. Again, waiting for the interest rate decision. That will give us a key indication of whether we're going to be buying or whether we're going to be selling if we break this support level. So that is it. Yeah, guys, I do appreciate you watching that video. I'll stick it on the website and it'll be on YouTube. Hit the like and subscribe button if you like the video. I will be doing some more content. I've got some training videos coming out this week that will be hitting the YouTube channel, and it will be hitting my website, thetradedfxtrader.com. So if you are looking at getting into Forex trading, or you're looking at bettering your trading, please get in touch. If you are looking to get into shape, I do have a 12-week body transformation program, which is on my website. Have a look at it, and let's get into the best shape of your life, physically and financially. So, can get this video edited, I'll stick it on. Have an awesome week trading. Have an awesome week training. If you're not training, stop being a pussy. Get in the gym. If you're not trading, take the leap. Get amongst it and make it happen. So have a good one, guys. Catch you soon.